Oh! I mean, edit that out. Ah, that's better. Beautiful. Running well. I don't know what rain they've had up here, but she is running very well. So out and about again, got Pete tagging along this one on his new bike. Yeah, we're heading up to, well in theory, up around Wattle Flat, up the top of the hills. Stop at George's Junction and yeah, we'll find somewhere to camp, just basically getting away from the crowds. That is the plan of this escape. We're out of here. This is not a bad backdrop here. It is nice. That's it, just got to trim out a few of these trees. Alrighty, I'll follow Pete for a bit. See if his towel flies off. But yeah, she's nice up here. She's pretty hot, but we might end up going for a swim, George's Creek or George's Junction area, because we are sweating. Grab a bit of a feed there too. Well, that's pretty well the end of the tar. So now we've got, oh, not that far, probably 40, 50 k's to get up top of the hill. Look at that wall, eh? Damn, it blows me away every time. It's just up. Don't know what angle, but she's bloody steep. Alright, keep wandering along. The odometer, she's just about to tick over 9,000 k's. Come on, do it. You can do it. It's going to tick over any second now. There you go, eh? 9,000. 9,000 fun kilometres. Done some back roads, done some mountains, some creeks. Been bloody good. Great little adventure machine. Quite a few camping runs, as most of you guys know. And this is another one to the list. Oh, get off that loose stuff. Alright, catch back up with Pete. I was too busy staring at my odometer. A pretty narrow section of road, this one. Plenty of rocks, slide down. The old river looks like it's running well. Nice little push to it. Still nice and clean too. Made it. Let's head down to the water, cool down a bit. Notice there are no camping signs they've put up now. Not sure what that's all about, but they've yeah, maybe they're cracking down on it. Don't know. But first stop over here. Cool the hell down. Nice temperature, eh? Oh, that's good. Will do. Bit of a puddle. Yeah, water's bloody bath warm. Yeah, I'm playing that little hole. Oh! I mean, we'll edit that out. Ah, that's better. Ugh. End shade. Perfect. Oh, God. Oh, phone's a bit dusty. What are we doing? Centering that. Wide that. Follow Pete. Got a good sound, that V-strom. Nice throaty sort of gurgle happening. Whew. Alright, we're out of here. Damn, going up. So to come up a fair way now, probably about 500 metres. Not sure the actual height difference from down there, but has to be around surely 800 to a kilometre. But the bush is changing, it's getting a bit cooler, and we're about to hit those sort of longer straight bits. Well, getting somewhere. Wattle flat, point lookout. We're going to go check out this other spot first. Spot Pete knows. Secret spot number 7. All good? Woo. Bit cooler up here, eh? Not much, but a little bit. Ah, follow you. Yeah, it dropped a few degrees. It's probably 25 up here from 30. Anyway, let's keep going and try and find this campsite. So we're back on track. Went for a bit of a cruise and well, went the wrong way. So now it's yeah, back on the right road. Not much of a road. But we'll give her a shot. Supposed to get down to the water. It's getting a bit trickier, pretty lumpy near the rocks. I guess as a positive, a bit of grip getting out, but she's yeah, definitely going in there. Should only be about 200 meters, I think, if I can read GPS. Maybe 500 meters. So that spot turned into a bit of a dead end. Bit of a shame, so we're going to go back to Wattle Flat. It's a bit of a shame. It was probably only 500 meters from the water, and she's all over. Anyway, live and learn. Just about there. So we're going to stay at the picnic area. Doesn't look like anyone's here, so sounds good to me. River's running beautifully. Nice. Yeah, so we're all set up behind me. Just going to go down the water while we've got this sort of late bit of light, and yeah, have a bit of a look around, and then I'll show you the campsite. Go through it, but this is nice. Beautiful. Running well. I don't know what rain they've had up here, but she is running very well. So this is it, camp is done. My little tent, Pete's V-Strom. He's a nice machine. Good touring bike, I reckon. He's done well on some of the tracks today. One in particular, the dead end, wasn't too exciting, but good test for the bike. His little tent. Done a few miles of that one. Yeah, it works out well. We've got a table over there. Water just down the corner. So yeah, nice setup. Here he comes. His little dot in the distance. Yeah, thanks. All right, there's always one. You've got to leave now. All right, I've just been evicted. But yeah, no, good little spot. Get the fire going later. Got a fire pit over there, plenty of wood. Just get her up and running a bit later. It's still a bit warm. Yeah, still a bit warm to get the fire going. Went down the water and soaked the head. Water's a good temp. I thought it'd be quite cold, but it's yeah, it's nice. Not going swimming, but it's nice. But yeah, it's time to wind down, have a couple of drinks, and yeah, get the fire going, play a bit of music, and yeah, enjoy life. Enjoy the therapy of the bush. Mate, she's already boiling. It's been like literally a minute, eh? Oh, lose all the hairs on my hand. Alright, that's unbearable. I've got to move it. Wow. Probably half cold, half boiling. Put it back in for a couple of seconds. How you going? Let's check out what you're doing. Oh,
try not.
Cool. Is that a little skillet?
Try not to burn the bread.
Yeah, no, it's good. What's the go with that pot? What's it? Looks different, eh?
Yeah, just one of them non-stick jobbies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Looks ceramic or something, eh?
Yeah.
It is. Now you got the right side with the old shelving. I'm sort of on the poverty end of things. Downwind with the smoke and mate, she's boiling again. Jesus. Alright.
Actually tried it cold and it didn't taste too bad.
What was it, sorry? Oh, cold.
Yeah.
Alright, that'll do. That and some bread that'll do me. Alrighty, all packed up. Good little spot. Bike's packed different to when I arrived here, but she is packed up. Cruise home and hopefully beat some rain. That we'll find out. Out of here. Good little spot. Beautiful temperature, not cold, which is always good. Little creek down there, Styx River. Yeah, nice. Alright, back down the mountain. Gonna go the way we came up, it's just closer. It's only about 130 k's from home. Whereas if you go through Ebor and Dorrigo's, a fair bit further. That's the plan anyway. Yeah, this Kempsey Armadale Road, it's not one you go fast on. There's pretty good drop off on the left, like 600 metres. So yeah, no fences. Whatever goes off doesn't come back up again, so yeah, it's a good one to cruise down. There is cows and kangaroos and stuff on here at times. Well, there'll be cows down a bit lower. But yeah, it's just one of them roads. Just soak it up. rather than trying to go quick on it. But yeah, beautiful run down at the bottom. Pop out of George's Junction again. Oh, there's a good little hole there beside me. Yeah, so you pop out down there again, and it's just a nice run into Kempsey. So yeah, we've come down about, probably dropped 500 metres, and it's funny, you just ride into this wall of humidity again. So nice up there, almost cool to cold, I'd just about call it. And then you just keep going down. We're starting to see the farms now, so we're getting down now. It's a nice little run. So it's cool how you follow the river. A bit like down the Boyd River, heading up to Glen Innes. Same sort of deal here. Just run parallel. That'd make a good loop, I reckon. Up here and across for all that back farm country. Come back down through the old Grafton Tunnel. Yeah, I'll add that to the list. But yeah, beautiful time of the day. Well, pretty well back on the coast now. Different weather down here. It's supposed to rain today. It's a bit gloomy looking. The restaurant, sitting at the bistro. Look at that, eh? I want to steal some of his chips, I know that. Because I didn't know they sold chips here. So there you go, eh? Look at this, mate, awesome. That's a good way to finish your trip, eh? Alright guys, that's pretty well it. I'm going to wrap it up. And yeah, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, we'll catch us on the next one. Not sure where, but it'll be somewhere. Alright, cheers.